The following is an operation method of our GBPI moisture measurement. Now we first open the lid. Then put in one of our accessories. We first open the lid, then put in one of our accessories, which is our windshield, and then put in one of our handles, which is the anti-scalding handle. Remember, this card slot must be facing this position. Otherwise, it will get stuck in a bracket. Now I put in the bracket, and after pulling the bracket in place, we rotate it and make sure it's stuck in the card slot. Then we put in the tray. The anti-scalding handle should not touch our bracket and tray, otherwise it will affect the measurement accuracy. Then cover the lid and turn on the machine. The operation steps for 1 mg and 5 mg are the same. Then we are using a 5 mg machine to do a demonstration. After turning on the machine, first use a 100 grams calibration weight to calibrate. Let's put it out to see if the weighing is accurate to 100 grams. Then we test the steps. First, press and hold the reset button. And then when color appears, we wait for it to flash 100 grams. And then put in the 100 grams weight. Remember to wait until it flashes before putting it in. Then wait for a few seconds for the 100 grams to stop flashing. In this case, we take off the 100 grams weight, and then the screen continues to enter. Wait until it returns to the weighing state of 0. The calibration step is completed. Let's test the 100 gram weight. See if it is correct. We can change the angle without any problem. Which means that the weighing of this machine is fine. Now we will conduct sample testing. For example, we will randomly take a sample. For example, this is one of ours. Ours are dried red dates. This is a sample sent by a customer. Dried red dates. And then if we normally take food like this, we can take 3 to 5 grams. We randomly select a little, put it in the tray lid, and then we adjust the measurement mode. By default, we set it to 120 grams of automatic mode. We can press up or press down. We have a total of 14 modes in memory. We randomly select a mode. For example, on mode 1, we enter this is on standard mode. This is the time mode. We directly skip the 2 departments, which do not need to be set at present. We set its temperature. For example, for food, we generally test it at 105 degrees. The operation steps of different modes are exactly the same. Then press confirm. Now we have placed the sample, and then press the start button to start. And now it's okay. The measurement process may take 3 to 5 minutes. The value it currently displays is the M value in percent. The M value is its water content. Currently, 2% of the water content has been measured, and it is still heating up. It is expected to be Operation because the moisture content of dry goods is generally not too much. The normal moisture content is about 10%, and some dry goods may be less than 10%. So when we test the samples, we choose the moisture content according to our own samples, and we choose the amount for the sample. For example, for lighter products, such as products with less moisture, we need to put more sample volume, such as 7 to 8 grams, 10 grams, or even 20 grams. It depends on the sample. If the moisture content is relatively high, we can put 3 to 5 grams. Okay, measurement over. It took 3 to 5 minutes. Warm food is basically dried in 3 to 5 minutes. Basically, the steps are like this. Then when you measure the second sample, try to wait for the temperature to cool down to below 50 degrees, and then measure it when it cools down to below 50 degrees. Otherwise, when you cover the lid, it will evaporate water instantly. Then let's see if the measurement is over, right? We can press the switch key. The switch key currently displays the moisture content. This is our conversion rate. Our current remaining gram weight is 1.71 grams, which means that we just evaporated 0.2 grams of water. Then take a look. This is our solid content. Of course, some things. For some items, we measure the solid content. Currently, we measure the moisture content. For solid content, we are in an inverse proportion of 88.61%. The moisture content is 11.39%.